Oh, the boy birdies are saying good morning. I guess I should get up and make a coffee. My wee setup. Fog's rolling in a little bit. Put the coffee on. Not bad. Just gonna cook up in there. I brought too much coffee, but I don't care because it's coffee. Thanks, Monique. This works really well. It's a spoon with a little stabby bit on the end. Yeah, sporks are good. Oh, guess I'll wait for the fog to roll in or the sun to come up, one of the two. Oh, ready to go. I wonder how close I can get to the lyrebirds. Pretty close, it turns out. That's cool. Yours is bubbling away. Bubbling away. I wonder how far the Ada tree is. I have to go in about an hour. Yeah, I got an hour until I have to leave. I heard it was 15 minutes walk, but I'm not sure. I guess I will find out once I've had my coffee. No rubbish left behind. Okay. So it turns out I was driving 14 k's. I might have been walking 8 k's. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. Either way, I'm going to go have a look. Because apparently it's pretty. Ew. It is actually really nice out here. It's good to get away. Oh well, gotta go back to the real world now. So pretty and peaceful. I think I need to get me an adventure bike. Yeah, that's the ticket.